Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Leo fire sign, and this reading is for the month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Leo. What are the messages for you? Nine of Wands, Seven of Cups, Knight of Cups. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. I think one person in this connection is guarded, and because one person in this connection have options also, but but your person is coming towards you, or you are going towards your person. Knight of Cups, it is coming, but it is slow. Or one person fantasizing about a lot another person. So let's see more messages. But one person is acting like guarded, they're acting like cold. Yeah, Three of Swords, Temperance. You or your person could be Sagittarius, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, I think this person is this, because of Three of Swords with Nine of Wands. Definitely one person is very heartbroken in this situation. For some there is separation. Right now there is patience and balance is needed in this connection. And Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, I think your person holding coin back. Are you holding your feelings? One person is very sad in this connection. That's why I think they don't want to break their heart again. That's why they're acting like guarded. It could be you or your person, depending upon your situation. Judgment. Yeah, Magician. Wow. Death. Yeah, so it could be you or your person. I think it could be you, Leo. You are undergoing some transformation. I think it's you guarded up now, because you are the person, you invest more on this connection and you made decision, judgment definitely. And Magician, you are now in manifesting energy, and definitely you are undergoing some transformation. After the transformation you are in this energy. So but your person is waiting for you, they want to come towards you, but you completely guarded up, completely guarded, and you already made decision. Yeah, you defend. See here, the Empress. Yeah, you stand by your power, and you defending. Six of Swords. Yeah, moving to calm waters, some communication. You are moving towards peace, but your person want to come towards you. So let's see your person energy, what they are up to right now. Yeah, Two of Cups. They love you, you love them, because you equal love sharing between both of you. The Strength and Nine of Pentacles. Under the deck, High Priestess. Something hidden in this connection, and yeah, they are gaining strength to come towards you, even though they are acting like they are okay being single, but they are not. They want to offer their love to you. Yes, King of Swords. They want clarity and they want to communicate you their feelings. Six of Cups. Yeah, you both have strong soulmate and past life connection. So that's the affection they got. I think that's the feeling they have for you. They have so much emotions for you. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sag, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. It could be any sign. Definitely your person want to come towards you, but you stand by your power. You want peace. You guarded, Leo, because you, after the transformation, you are in manifesting energy. Ace of Pentacles under the deck. Definitely long-term commitment is coming towards you. It's up to you to accept or not. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.